And guys, exact value should stand out. Absolutely no decimals. So your calculator might help you a little, but not a lot, okay? We want to evaluate sine of 15 degrees. Okay, is 15 degrees, guys, on your unit circle? No, it is not. So what I need from you is I need two numbers that I can either add or subtract that are on the unit circle that would give me 15. So what jumps out at everybody right away? What are two angles on the unit circle that I could subtract and get 15? 45. Right. So sine 45 minus 30. Okay? Now, from our sheet, think of this as U and think of that as V. Okay? Do you guys have to write the rule? No, you don't. I'm just writing it to help us. So this is sine of U minus V. Okay. Can somebody look on the green sheet and read to me the rule for sine of U minus V? Anybody got it? Sine of U. All right, Leah, go.
Sine U
Cosine V. Keep going. Be careful. Because it's the lower symbol. Minus cosine sine V. Everybody good so far? Where did I get? Good. Yeah. Everybody good? All right. So here's our U, here's our V. All we have to do is do some replacing in here, okay? So sine of U is 45. So sine 45, cosine V is 30. All you're doing is popping numbers into a formula, guys. We can do this. Minus cosine U, so cosine 45, sine V, sine 30. Now all you have to do, gang, is pluck those values off your unit circle. Okay? So go to the unit circle. You're looking at 45 and you're looking at 30. So Rachel, first of all, I need the sine at 45. Which number is that?
Pi over 2 or square root of 2.
Root 2 over 2? Okay. And Rachel, now I need the cosine at 30. Lovely. Don't give me anything with pies. You're giving me angles then, guys. And Rachel, let's finish it up. We need cosine at 45. Thank you, ma'am. And then we need sine at 30. Very good. All right, you're not allowed to decimal a darn thing, guys. So what we can do is we can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Remy, if these are both under a root, can we do root 2 times root 3?
No.
Yes, if they're both under, you can. So what are you going to get, Remy?
Root 6.
Good. And Remy, multiply the denominators.
4.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Natalie, root 2 times 1. That's root 2 over 4. Now, gang, are those over in LCD?
Yes.
Yes, they are. So let's combine the numerators together. So 4 goes on the bottom. Now, very important. Can't subtract. So root 6 minus root 2, guys, is not root 4. Those are not like radicals. Like radicals have to have the same numbers underneath the radical. So it's just root 6 minus root 2 all over 4. So let's go over on the side here and set up our proportion. You guys gave me radians over pi equals degrees over 180. Okay. All right, cross products. And you will be able to have your calculator on the test. What's 7/12 times 180? Somebody's got to punch it for me.
105.
105?
5.
Yep, so it's 105 pi equals pi d. Well, what's going to happen to the pi's, guys? They're going to cancel. So degrees is 105. Okay? So what we're really doing is tan 105. Okay, now, you guys know there's no 105 in the unit circle. So find for me either two numbers you can add to make 105 or two numbers that you can subtract to make 105. And there's a whole bunch of them, and you'll have your calculators on the test. Yes, Autumn?
1645.
What'd you get?
1645.
60 and 45. Everybody agrees 60 and 45 is 105? All right. So tan 60 plus 45. Excellent, Autumn. Okay. Now again, guys, here's your U. There's your V. Okay. So we're going to go to the sheet and find tan U plus V. Okay. And if Leah could just read the rule to me, because you did it so well the last time. Tangent U plus V is?
Tangent U plus tangent U over 1 minus.
Okay, slow down for a second. Let me catch up. Over 1 minus. Now, we're using the top symbol, so it has to be 1 minus. Yep. Go ahead.
1 minus tan U tangent.
Remember, we're using the top symbol plus, and then on the bottom there's a minus. Okay? All right. So let's go to the unit circle, guys. Haley, on the unit circle, can you pluck off? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's not go to the unit circle. Let's put our actual numbers in. So this is tan 60 plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan 60 times tan 45. All right, now let's put our numbers in. Haley, can you give me tangent at 60? Square root of 3. And then tangent at 45, Haley? Good. Over 1 minus, Haley, tangent at 60? Root 3 times tangent at 45 is 1. Okay. All right. Now, what do I need you to do with this? You can't add roots to things without roots. So the numerator is what it is. Root 3 plus 1. On the bottom, 1 times root 3 is root 3. Now, don't worry about rationalizing these. I'm fine with this. So you are done here. Right? And we're going to put angle A on this coordinate plane, and then over on this coordinate plane, we're going to put angle B. Now, can you use your green and tell me what quadrant is pi to 3 pi over 2?
3.
Quadrant 3, Max says with confidence. He is right. So draw your terminal side, drop your altitude. Angle A is always the one formed by the x-axis and the terminal side. Okay? All right. It's on your green sheet, so you can use your green sheet. Refresh me, Brianna. Cosine is what word over what word? Yeah, adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, can you put those in your picture, guys? So adjacent to A is 4, hypotenuse is 5. One of them is negative, gang. Which one does it have to be? Yeah, very good. All right, can you guys take a moment and Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side? Tell me this, Hannah. Angle B is between 0 and pi over 2. So what quadrant is that on your green sheet? 0 to pi over 2. Very good. Draw your terminal side. Drop your altitude to the x-axis always. Put a little b. Okay, Mason, refresh us. Sine is what word over what word?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Very good. So opposite of b, we're going to put 5. Hypotenuse, we're going to put 13. We don't have to worry about a negative. So take a minute, guys, and find cosine u plus v. And what I need somebody to do is read me the rule for cosine u plus v. Anybody got it? Brianna's got it? Let her go, Brianna. Yeah, go slower though. Cosine v. Yep. Yep. Delightful. Okay. Now, if it's going to help you, remember u, v. So a and b are like your u and your v. So we're really doing cosine a, cosine b, plus sine a, sine b. So if it's going to help you, change to our a's and b's instead of the u's and b's. Okay? Now you guys just have to pick these, pluck them right off the graph. Okay? So look at your picture. And Sierra, from my picture, if I put my pen on A, what is cosine of A? What number over what number? Cosine, yep, -4 over? Yes, very good, adjacent over hypotenuse. So -4 over 5. Now you got to jump over to the other picture. And Joel, I need cosine of B. Delightful. Plus. All right, Kayla, jump back to A. I need sine of A. Yep. And Nat, jump over here. I need sine of B.
That's 5 over, sorry, I'm just,
Hypotenuse.
yeah, 13.
Yeah. All right. And guys, you'll have your calculators for the test, so don't sweat this. This isn't going to be bad. Multiply these numerators. I know -4 times 12 is -48. You guys got to help me with 5 times 13. Is that 65? Yeah. Plus -3 times 5 I know is -15. 5 times 13 again is 65. Are they over LCD? Yep. So -48, -15. Tell me what that makes, gang.
-63.
Good. Over 65. Final answer.